everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Put Your Makeup On, where I post videos like this every Monday and Thursday. If you like what you see here, be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. And for today, I have decided on doing another tutorial, but this time is my birthday makeup using all of my 2017 favorites. So I wanted to do a whole compilation of what I would wear for my birthday. I'm actually celebrating my birthday 3 times this month. So I went out with my boyfriend's parents actually last night, and then my boyfriend's taking me out separately, and then I'm actually celebrating with my mom on another occasion. So I think I'm doing pretty good. So this is a look that I came up with. If you hear any background noise, yes, I am doing laundry, #adult life, and we are in the blizzard of 2018 right now. All of Long Island is under a state of emergency, so you'll probably hear some snow plows and snow blowers in the background. My goodness. Of course, my birthday, around my birthday, there's always a blizzard. I'm so used to it. And of course, if you want to know how to recreate this look, this is how we do it on Put Your Makeup On, so just keep watching. We are starting off this tutorial how I always do with the Milani eyeshadow primer, one of my favorite eyeshadow primers of all time. And then for the palette today, this palette obviously needs no introduction, the Jaclyn Hill palette, the Morphe collaboration. I am first going in with the shade Butter, and this is going to be my transition color. Since I'm going in with a lot of darker shadows, I want this to be very blown out, very much blended. The second shade I'm going in is Pukey, which is always an odd word for me to say. And of course, again, I'm just building up the saturation with a different brush. And then for this color, I'm going in with the shade Roxanne and going in with a different blending brush. Usually when I do these types of looks, I like to go in with at least 3 different blending brushes. A little much, but whatever. For my main lid color, I am using the shade Jax, and this is a beautiful burgundy sangria wine color. I am covering every inch of my lid from inner corner to outer corner with this color. A flat shader brush is going to work perfect with this type of shadow. I'm taunting my lid ever so slightly. Definitely don't tug your lid like crazy. And then just to blend out those harsh edges, I'm going in with the shade Chip, which is a really nice mocha color on a more tapered blending brush. And I'm just blending that out again, of course, just to avoid any harsh lines. And then just using a little bit of beam on my upper brow bone. My favorite eyeliner is the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. I'm using both ends today for the waterline and for the actual liquid felt tip. I love this eyeliner to death, to the moon and back. Tarte, please don't ever discontinue this liner. Moving on to the rest of the face, I'm using the Skin to Die For primer from Peter Thomas Roth, and I don't think this is technically marketed as a primer. I have no idea, but it does a fantastic job at minimizing the appearance of the pores and helps me stay matte all day. Perfect Peach foundation we are going in with next for foundation from Too Faced, and I really love this primer. You guys will see this foundation featured in my 2017 beauty favorites, so keep a lookout for that on my channel. But it just helps me stay matte. One of my all-time favorite foundations that I've ever used. It's so good, you guys. The NYX Dark Circle Color Corrector for under the eyes. You guys know I love to color correct under my eyes. My dark circles are literally the worst, so this is just what I do. And then for concealer, this obviously comes to no surprise. The Tarte Shape Tape Concealer is just the bomb. And did you guys hear they're coming out with a Shape Tape foundation? Holy guacamole, that's going to be insane. And then just to set my face, the Bare Minerals Original loose powder. I use this both for under the eyes and the face just to prevent everything from fading, and it just kind of softly gives like a soft focus to the face. I really love it. Super finely milled, never looks powdery, never looks cakey. Nars Laguna, like, I seriously need a new one. I'm so sad that this is going, but it's a favorite for a reason. It just looks so, so pretty on my skin, whether I'm really super tan or really pale, especially this time of year. So yeah, popping that on the bronzer areas. And then for blush, all-time favorite, once again, the Amazonian Clay blush from Tarte in the shade Party. Beautiful shade. Kilowatt highlighter from Fenty. I really love this. I cannot put this highlighter down, you guys. It just gives that sexy wet look on the high cheekbone. It is stunning. Going back in once again to the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm using the shade Jax and a little bit of Mocha as well. A little bit of both on the lower lash line, and I'm dipping into Beam as well for those inner corners too. Using the Shock Mascara from YSL, really fantastic mascara to splurge on. Beautiful for length and volume. Love the wand, never clumpy, never flaky. And then for lips today, I wanted to do something dark and sexy. I'm using the Everlasting Liquid Lip from Kat Von D in the shade Vampira. Matched my shirt, and it totally matched my eyes. I don't know, I guess I was going for a monochromatic look now that I've realized in post-editing. And that is the finished look. So that is pretty much it for today's video. Of course, I will have all the products listed down below like always. And yeah, comment down below letting me know when your birthday is. I would love to know. And that is pretty much all I have for today's video. And I shall see you in the next one. Have a great day, guys. Bye!